this is how you can learn Thai consonant and vowels daily. Let's say you have a very busy lifestyle, you don't have time to really sit down and learn. You can put your things like this. If you're my student, you probably have a copy of this. Then you can print and paste it somewhere in your house or at your office, your workstation, where you or dressing table where you get to see it often. And as and when you walk past it, then you just look at this thing and oh, I'm on day one. Let's start with กอไก่จอจานดอเด็กบอใบไม้ปอปลาออ่าง for example. But this is a summary version, so I don't really put the name of the consonants here. So กอไก่ is just a G. But if you have learned Thai with me before, you know that there's a full name of it as well. So for now, is this what you see here is equal to กอไก่ this equal to จอจาน. So you should it's important to learn the name of the consonant as well. But this is a shortcut. I have some students who just learn just this as well, without like learning the name. But later on, he still has to learn it because that's how Thai people will refer to the consonant. Let's say he has to spell his friend name, he still need to know that this is กอไก่ this is ขอไข่. Okay, this is my 8-day program for my e-coaching student and for also for students who've been to my Thai literacy workshop. That's how I use this material for them to learn Thai before the course. I call this my pre-workshop materials. Yeah, this is my Thai literacy pre-workshop materials. But for those who study with me online, yeah, you can print out one of these, and then as you walk past them, just learn a little bit. Imagine you just learn one letter as you walk past this table. กอไก่จอจาน okay, maybe two. Then you know, do whatever you want, your housework, your daily activities, and then maybe an hour or two later you walk past it again, then you try to memorize it again, maybe just one or two letter as you walk past each time. So when you're done for day one, then you can take a break. Then tomorrow, day two, let's learn some vowels. สระอะสระอาสระอึสระอือสระเอสระเอสระโอสระโอ. Okay, it's too many, right? Never mind. As you walk past this table with this thing printed on, you can just learn สระอะ look like this. The dash is where the consonant will go into, and this is how the vowels look like. So if you put กอไก่ here, then it become กะ, for example. So you can just learn one vowels an hour, for example. Within 8 hours in a day, you will finish day two schedule. Okay, these 8 vowels. If it's too many for you, up to you. You can manage. Maybe you finish the day 2 program in two days instead. So it doesn't matter how fast or how slow you go, as long as you accomplish your goal. If you set out to be able to read Thai, it may take 8 days to learn all these things, 42 consonants and 30 vowels. But if it takes longer than that, let's say 16 days or 32 days to learn these 72 items, it's up to you as long as you get there. It's like it doesn't really matter how long it takes, but it's up to you also how fast you want to go and how effectively you want to learn. As long as you keep learning every day, one day you'll be able to read and write Thai. Once you finish all these 72 items, you will still need to learn the tone rules and some exceptions, special spellings. One thing to bear in mind that Thai language has two kinds of spelling. One is regular spelling, another is irregular spelling. All these letters and consonants and vowels will help you with the regular spelling. If you want to learn more about irregular spelling, you have to learn some special rules, special spelling rules. I can share with you on my e-coaching program. Join me at the link given with this video, or feel free to ask me if you have questions. I hope you enjoy learning Thai and try to get rid of Romanized Thai as soon as possible. Don't make it a habit, because Romanized Thai is not real Thai at all.